guys, good morning. It's already August 3 and today is my birthday. My 18th birthday. Today is my 18th birthday. Today guys, we are going to experience Tour A. And that would be around 8 a.m. in the morning. Today we are having our small breakfast. And this afternoon is free ang among lunch. It's because of the tour.
I'm a bit of worried na it's already 8:15 in the morning and wala pa nga mo ang sundo for the island hopping. See. We are now on our way to our bangka.
No, you can get the blue one there. Did you see
This is how they cook.
Now what, sir?
They left us. Finally, this is our first stop, the Papaya Beach. Pwede ka magdula og volleyball. They call this papaya because it has a lot of coconuts. Pwede ka magduyan to.
Hey, my friend, you take
Yes, at Papaya Beach. You know guys, now we understand why El Nido is one of the best beach in the world. As you can see guys, there are a lot of islands na makita ninyo. And actually first beach pa lang. And very blue water, very blue clear water. Ang rock formations is actually one of the tawag ani nagdala sa ilaha o kanang attraction. What can you say about the banana beach of El Nido?
This is paradise.
A paradise? Okay, that was our first stop sa Banana Beach. Ay, sa Papaya Beach, I'm sorry. And now we are going to our next destination. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Boo, 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 boo. Goodbye, Papaya Beach. Till the beach. We are currently experiencing a big wave.
Welcome to Minilok Island, and this spot we call the Big Lagoon.
Minilok Island and Big Lagoon.
Good view.
Wow. Finally, we are entering the Big Lagoon. And everyone is taking pictures. And grabe, lingaw kaya nga mong guide.
Good na yan, man.
Ano? May fan pa. Noon, gutom na. And we just arrived here sa Shimizu Island where diri mi mag-lunch. Wow! Guys, good afternoon. We are here sa small bill na address sa Nido, Palawan. Ang mostly ang among ginagamit is kani kay tungod manggod sa sugay ang ulan. Grabe ka ganina while naami sa Big Lagoon. Kasi grabe gid ang ulan so that's why medyo wala kayo na although nag-ulan enjoy na mo moment nga naami dito. So yun guys, actually currently naami sa small lagoon. Mabangga. Nahinay lang. So yun guys. Yun, as you can see, makita niyo ang mga Hello guys, finally we arrived at our last stop for today, 7 Commander Beach, and medyo so explore na to ng let's go. So guys, finally we arrived here sa ganito 7 Commander Beach. Wow. Hello guys. Yes. Nadala ko sa balut ini. Ang kapika, dala si kapicturan. Ha? Ito katot. Siguro na bayad eh. Ay, di siya may go dala to, no? Nice one. We are on our way back to our room, and as of now we just finished our island hopping tour. That was set A, but festival due to heavy rain and medyo pangit ang season, kapagod sa gyud, we are back na diri sa among hotel, probably dito, and probably mag-take rest sa amin.
So look at that, very tasty. So in overall, just want to sum up kung ano sa mga visit kanina. First is naami sa Papaya Beach. Papaya Beach which has a lot of coconut trees. Second is we went to Big Lagoon. Kasi tanan, very super, but instead na mga problema, we enjoyed it na lang. The third is the Shimizu Island kung asa may nag-lunch. Fourth is my favorite, the small lagoon. Dito may nagtuyo nagkayak very. Then the last is the 7 Commando Beach. That was a total of, so that's all for now guys. We will take a rest.